Today, I'll show you how to connect your broker to MetaTrader 5. First, download and open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or computer. Before you can connect anything, you need an account from a broker that supports MT5. MetaQuotes says, live accounts are provided by brokerage companies, and real trading accounts are not created directly inside the platform itself. Once you have your broker account details, open MetaTrader 5 and go to Accounts or Manage Accounts, then tap New Account or Login to an existing account. After that, search for your broker's name or server name in the search bar and select the correct server from the list. MetaQuotes' official help shows that connection requires the broker server, your account login, and your password. Next, enter your login number, your password, and make sure you choose the exact server your broker gave you. This part is important because many brokers have multiple servers, and choosing the wrong one can stop the account from connecting. MT5 also supports two access types: master password for full trading access and investor password for view-only access. After you sign in, your account should appear in the Accounts section with details like server name, balance, and leverage. If the login fails, check the server name, confirm the password, and contact your broker if needed, especially if your account uses extra security like extended authentication. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.